Patrick had $72 and his sister had $8 at first, after they received an equal amount of allowance. Now, this is the keywords here. This tells us that since they are receiving equal amount, the difference in money between them will remain the same. It will remain unchanged. Okay. Now, in the end, Patrick had twice as much money as his sister. How much allowance did each of them receive? Now, to do this question, we find what is the difference that we are working with, and that is $72 minus $8. That's $64. So even later on, when Patrick had twice as much as his sister, the difference will still be $64. So later on in the after case, Patrick is to sister is to the difference. This will be 2 and 1 because Patrick had twice as much as the sister, and the difference will be 2 minus 1 is just 1 unit, and later on that 1 unit is also equal to $64, which tells us that the sister at the end had $64. At the start she had $8. So how much allowance did she get? So that will be 64, the final amount for her, minus her initial amount, minus 8, and you get $56. That's our final answer for this question.